morning, everybody. I gotta use my other hand. I am at Walgreens on this Easter morning. I decided to go before my kids wake up because they won't be up for at least another hour and a half. And I'm like, I'm just sitting at the house. I've been up since about 3 in the morning. My back is still killing me, but it's more of a muscle in my back. I think I have a pinched nerve. But I either have to go, I'm gonna go to physical therapy. I gotta make an appointment tomorrow. But otherwise I have to get an MRI. But basically it's my right side of my shoulder muscle, and it goes all the way down to my pinky, or my thumb and my finger, and it feels like a rubber band is so stretched in my arm that it could snap. That's basically what it feels like. My doctor gave me other meds because the meds they gave me did nothing to me. And I'm still in excruciating pain. I finally figured out how to get comfortable in sleeping, but it sucks. But I thank you guys, you know, for helping me out with all the positive vibes. But I'm gonna try to do Walgreens. I am in pain, but otherwise I've just been sitting in my chair reading or watching movies or playing little handheld games that I got when I was a kid in my recliner. That's all I've been doing because I really can't do very much. But I need to get out of the house. But there's some great deals, a lot of shampoo deals. I'm gonna try to look for some clearance, but let's go inside Walgreens and have some fun. So here's what I was looking for. We have the Oreo Space Dunk cookies. Now they're $6.49, but I had this cashier price check them, and they're actually ringing up 79 cents. But we currently have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back for the Space Dunk one. So if you guys can find these, find them. This is like hidden clearance at my store. But this ends up becoming a 21-cent moneymaker. Can't think of it. I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, a 21-cent moneymaker, and I'm buying 5 of them because I'm going to give some to my neighbors. Here we have the L'Oreal Elvive for 2 for $9. Now we currently have 2 digital coupons that you guys can use. We have the IVC coupon for 2 off of 2, and then you can also use, I have a personal coupon for $4 off of 2, making your final price for these, you get $6 off, making them just $3 or $1.50 each, which can be an okay deal for some L'Oreal. So here we have the Dove shampoo on sale for $4, and then we also have the men's Dove Man shampoo for $5. What you can do is you can get this $2 off digital coupon for the men's and this $2 off digital coupon for the women's, so one of each. You will end up paying just $5 for the 2 of them, but you will receive a $3 register reward, making them just $2 or $1 each. If you want to do this deal where you want to set, you would get them for $8, use one of those $2 off digital coupons, you would pay $6, but then you get that $3 register reward, making them $3 or $1.50. We have the Colgate toothbrushes on sale for $4.50. There are some for $5.50, along with some of the toothpaste for $4.50, along with $5.50. And then we also have this mouthwash right down here for $4.50. What you're going to do is you're going to get 2 of them that are $4.50. You're going to use this 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you're going to use. You will end up just paying $5 for the 2 of them, but you will receive a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2, making them just $2 or $1 each. I recommend doing this for the mouthwash and the toothbrushes. Toothpaste, it's not worth paying $1 for, but if you guys really need it, go for it. If you guys love Arm & Hammer, we have the deal of the week. The Arm & Hammer is $1.99 for these little baby bottles. This is a better deal than it was last week, but you got the baby bottles. Here we have the pods, which is 14 loads, and then the little shakers right here are also $1.99 for the deal of the week. Here we have the Airwick essential oils. These are $8.49. They are cheaper online if you guys want to do this online deal. But they're $8.49, buy one, get one 50% off. Now, we do have a buy one, get one free digital coupon. So I don't know how much it'll take off, but it says up to $7. So I'm assuming it'll take $7 off, making it just $5.73 or $2.86 each. Not sure if you guys do this deal, please let me know what it takes off. I know it used to be the high value one, but I don't know if it'll take the high or the low. But wanted to share with you on that deal. So here we have a favorite of mine that I absolutely love. It is the Complete Home or Walgreens brand bags. They are $4.99 at buy one, get 2 free. So you guys can use the small ones or they have the medium ones, but they're starting to come to be the Walgreens brand. But they basically come out to be just like $1.66 each. These are perfect trash bags for your bathrooms. I use these for my van. I have a little garbage bin that my kids throw all their garbage in, and it helps to keep it clean, but great deal at Walgreens. Here we have the Post Fruity Pebbles, or the Cocoa Pebbles. These are on sale for $5.99, but buy one get one free. So you basically would pay $5.99. We currently have an Ibotta rebate where you get 50 cents back, so you get $1 back, making it just $4.99, or just $2.49 each for a box, which can be an okay deal if you guys need some of that. Here we have the Captain Crunch cereal. They don't have the other one, but we have this one. My kids love this. So it is $1.99. You're going to pay $1.99, but then there is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making this just $1.49, which can be a pretty good deal for the Crunch Berries. I feel like we always get the other cereals for $1, but you rarely ever get one of these, but great deal if you guys need some cereal. So here we have another gift card deal. You can get the Top Golf, which I'm not finding. We have IHOP, which is $25, and then you can get Fanatics, which is a minimum also of $25. So every 2 gift cards you buy with both a minimum of $25, you'll pay $50, but then you will receive a $10 Walgreens gift card, so you get a $60 value for just $50. So I am back from Walgreens. I went and hurried up, and then I got home because I wanted to get home before my kids did, or woke up, and I got home like 5 minutes prior before they woke up. So Easter's done for us. It's crazy. It's crazy how fast it is. But I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So I was really trying to find some clearance stuff, and I like had them scan stuff, but I was excited to find these Space Dunk Oreos. I did do a taste test for these a while ago. They tasted okay. I am going to try them with milk and see if they taste good. But these were on clearance for 79 cents. 79 cents, and then there is a $1 Ibotta rebate for these. So these would come out to be a 21-cent moneymaker. So I got 5 of them because that was the limit. I found mine like on an end cap in the middle of the store. So make sure you guys are checking end caps here and there, just everywhere, because they have them in different spots. So that was a great little find that I found for the Oreos. So I got $5 back with Ibotta for that. And I don't know if that counted. They have like, you know, their rebates now. It's either like 1, if you buy like the same item, that counts as 1. Okay, so I didn't know this, but I bought 5 Oreos, and then I bought 2 of the Captain Crunch, and it ended up counting as 6. I bought 7 items, so I just need to get 1 more item, which I'm just going to redeem a gift card, and I got $8 or $3, so that would have been a great deal with that. So I got that. Then I ended up doing Captain Crunch because my kids love Captain Crunch. These were $1.99. You can submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents. Comes up to be $1.49. So I could have gotten another one of those, but that's okay. I'm just going to redeem a gift card, and then I'll get my $3 Weekend Warrior. So I was excited to get the Tresemme. The Tresemme. I had a coupon. I swear I had a coupon this morning when I was clipping my coupons, and then when I go to all the coupons that I haven't used, it disappeared. I scanned the item, it disappeared. I don't know if you guys have a coupon, but it was there this morning, and then when I get to the store, it was gone. I like searched for it later on. I don't know, but there was a great, they're 2 for $12, and then I swear I saw a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, and then you get a $5 rebate. But the digital disappeared, so yeah. I ended up getting one of the men's shampoo and one of the women's shampoo. This was $4, this was $5. There's a $2 off digital coupon, a $2 off digital coupon. You would just get these for $5, but then you will receive, now they changed this, you will receive a $3 register reward. But this one is like a red and gray. This one is a yellow one. So I don't know if these are the new ones or what they're going to be doing or something. But yeah, I got a gray one, which is a little bit different. But these come out to be just like $1 or, yeah, $2 or $1 each. So I haven't bought men's shampoo and conditioner for a while, so I got that. If you do submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards for the men's stuff, you will get, there's a bonus for that. I also got the Colgate toothbrushes. These were $4.50. I used that 4 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $5 for it, but then you will receive a $4 register reward, making them just $1 or 50 cents each. Yeah, those prices just keep going up. The prices for Colgate keep going up. But yeah, I don't like paying $1 for the cheap toothpaste. I do not like paying $1. I will pay $1 for like the expensive stuff, the good stuff, but I will not pay $1 for like the cheap stuff that we can get free all the time. So yeah. And then I got the L'Oreal Elvive. These were 2 for $9. I had a where did I lose my spot? I had a 2 off of 2 IVC coupon and then a 4 off of 2, making these just $3 or like $1.50 each. So I got that. But that was my haul. I didn't get very much. I was trying to find like Crest or Oral-B. I didn't have any digital coupons for that stuff. I was looking at the Venus deal, but I could not find a digital coupon for the men's one that counted, so I didn't do that. The garbage bags, I don't need any bags, but that was a great deal. The gift card, again, I don't need that stuff. But and then the Airwick, I wasn't sure and I didn't want to chance it. So that was everything that I got at Walgreens. My total came to $15.66. Now remember, I did not pay that price. I do pay with points and I do pay with register rewards. But I did receive the $7 worth of register rewards. And then for points, I just received 27 cents. 27 cents, but then with Ibotta, I did receive $6. And what I'm going to do is actually just redeem like a Walmart gift card for like 20 bucks. Screenshot it, use it for when I go to Walmart next time, and then I'll get another rebate, then I'll get a $3 bonus. So pretty good with that. Making everything just $2.39 minus the Ibotta thing. But $2.39, I got 13 items at just 18 cents each for my total, which is a pretty decent deal. So if you guys enjoy Walgreens, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up if you love saving money. Again, thumbs up. I hope you guys have an awesome holiday weekend. There is a free photo deal that I'm going to be posting shortly after this video, so if you guys are looking at a free 8x10, I didn't order a photo yet because my kids might be dressing up for Easter, and I'll probably take a photo and then put that in 8x10. So I just want to give you guys a heads up, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.